MSI GV62 15.6 inches FHD VR-ready gaming laptop computer. Review deal discount unboxing setup. MSI is known for offering multiple choices to match almost any need, but at this point, they may be oversaturating their own marketplace. Case in point, today's review model. The GV62 has little to offer that can't already be found in its other lines. The GV62 is a near-carbon copy of the GF62 VR, the GE62 VR, the GL62 VR, and the GP62 VR, all of which are currently offered by MSI through various online retailers. The cases are the same, the keyboards are the same, the cooling solutions are the same, the port selections are the same, and so on. The major differences lie in the specifications. Even then, all of these lines offer similar, if not the exact same, configurations. MSI's other laptops aside, the GV62 is a fairly competent entry-level gaming laptop. For USD $1,050, it ticks a lot of boxes, especially when it comes to performance. The Core i5-8300H is a great match for the GTX 1060, a GPU not often found in laptops under $1,200. Compared to other entry-level gaming notebooks priced around $1,000, the GV62 offers better bang for the buck performance in games and multi-threaded workloads. However, this improved performance comes at the cost of case design, screen quality, and battery life. Chose MSI Computer 4 processor, 16GB RAM, 500GB SSD. Wanted speed for industrial control simulation. Have had issues with vanilla computers. For just a few $100 more than a vanilla I get a computer that boots in less than 10 seconds. Industrial control simulation is kind of a game, just not my reflexes being challenged. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.